There are glaringly obvious things that can make people dislike us, and we avoid doing them like the plague, since we all want to be liked. But we sometimes overlook traits or habits that may seem likable or just plain innocent, but can make others hate us to the ends of the world if we do them. Here are 7 counterintuitive things to watch out for. 1. Always following the golden rule. The golden rule states that you should do unto others as you would have them do unto you. This applies to universal principles such as treating others with kindness or sharing your blessings. But in doing specific actions, you should cater to the unique personality or values of a person. For example, if you love physical contact, don't expect your partner to have the same fondness as you do. Find out their own unique love language, then customize your actions to that. Perhaps they don't like to be touched as much, but they love receiving gifts or hearing compliments. Do or give more of what they love, not what you love. 2. Caring too much. We all want to be cared for, but some people go too far. This is usually the overprotective parent or partner who spoon-feeds you and wants to take care of every detail for you. They constantly mind your business to make sure you're always safe, comfortable, and well taken care of. Although they may have good intentions, this is very suffocating. Give the person you love some space and freedom, and they will appreciate you even more. 3. Giving unsolicited advice. People love getting advice from people they trust or respect, but let them ask for it. Sometimes, though, people just want to air out their emotions and need someone to listen to them. So be sensitive to their mood or state, and use your instinct or judgment to find out if they just need a listening ear. At other times, they may really need advice. If you think they're too shy or hesitant to ask for it, you may ask their consent first before giving your own, especially if you're not well versed with the subject. A simple question such as "May I give you some advice?" will do the trick. 4. Humble bragging. We all love people who demonstrates humility, and dislike those who are arrogant. Humble bragging is somewhat a combination of the two, but people will hate you more if you do it. Compared to outright bragging, humble bragging is indirect bragging disguised by downplaying or criticizing something you've done or experienced. Examples include: I feel guilty doing this $1 million project, as I'm spending less time with my family. Sorry I was late. My Bentley unexpectedly broke down on the road. I was not born rich, but thank God He blessed me with this important ability. It made me so happy to give the kind waitress a $500 tip. She deserved it. 5. Being too frank. If you're a real friend, you will tell them their flaws or weaknesses even if you risk offending them. But sometimes, being too frank can work against you, especially if your friend is too sensitive. You can still criticize, but in a much acceptable way, by making the negative feedback less offensive and sandwiching it between 2 positive statements. For example, if your friend has a pungent smell, don't tell them directly that their underarm smells bad. You can tell them something like, I can see how anyone can fall in love with your irresistible looks. And if you put on more deodorant, you'll smell heavenly and double your attractiveness. 6. Giving personal details too early. Revealing personal secrets about yourself can make you appear more genuine, but giving them out too early can backfire. Confidential details such as the people who have scammed you or whom you have slept with, are best discussed with a trusted friend or relative you've known for years, and not to strangers you've just met. Best to stick with safe topics such as hobbies, food, current events, pets or sports. Stay away from sensitive topics such as politics and religion. 7. Being nice all the time. Being nice can help you win the love and support of everyone. But being nice at all times, even during inappropriate moments, can make you look inauthentic or fake. Imagine if you always smile and say nice things to people who put you down or gossips about you. It's just not a natural human response. People may even think you can't stand up for yourself, which is a big turn-off. Or it may arouse their suspicion that you have a hidden agenda. It's okay to be nice, but don't take it too far. Did you know one of the most hateful things anyone can do is not fulfilling their promise or commitment? Watch this video next if you want to discover a surefire secret to make them keep their word.